Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you will be watching my videos or that my video will come across on your phone screen. This is Just May Asmediana of Just Washington, USA, and today it is January 29 of 2025. I am doing my second vlog here in YouTube, so I've decided to do vlogging here on YouTube to document my whatever I do. So the purpose of me vlogging is, for my documentation, and who knows what will happen for me in the future, and I can look back to these videos. So anyway, for those of you who are new and haven't known me yet, my name is Jessrel May. I do content creation, but mostly I do content creation about my online okay stuff. I do online selling of thrift stuff. I go to the thrift store and sell thrift stuff, and most of my customers are from the Philippines, so they do order from me. I do live selling on, if you haven't followed me on Facebook, my name is Jessrel May Esmediana, or you can also follow my page. It's the name is Okayan sa America by Jessrel May. You can look it up. I would appreciate if you could support me, but my content is all about what I do as a mom. I'm a working mom. I work full-time. At the same time, I have this job, so I've started this not job, but I do have this side business. I've started this thrifting stuff last year, April of 2024, and so far it's been really good. It's been successful for me. I have gotten quite new customers, good customers, keeps coming back. So what I do is I do live selling. I pack their items. I require them to pay at least 50% of the stuff that they mine, and then I will ship it to the Philippines, and they will pay me the remaining 50% when the items arrive in the Philippines, so they can fill a box, and then I can ship it directly from US here in Washington to their place wherever they are, considering they are gonna pay it in full. Or they can share a box, so whoever order online, they will I will fill the box, I will send it to my distributor, and then my distributor will contact them and send them invoices, and they will pay before we ship the item. So I do free shipping locally, international shipping via Sea Cargo. My courier is Logo, LBC, and UMAC, so it depends, whatever is available. I do like certain courier because it arrive faster too. So anyway, this is January 29, and I'm gonna do packing. So I have been working for 3 nights, and finally it's my day off for this week. This is my last week of the year, or the month of January 2025. So here it is. I'll show you the bundok. All of this are sold stuff. All of this are sold stuff. So I'm gonna sort them and then do the invoices, and I'll send it to them, and then I'll pack them, and as soon as they show proof of payments, then I will ship their items. So that's about what I'm gonna do today. So this one is for Mom Melanie. I have a file for Mom Melanie, and this one is for Mom Sol, Mom Sarah J. I'm gonna include their names because they're part of me, and who knows where, in the future. It's kay Leia. And so I do everything. I'm like, basically I'm a single mom. I have a full-time job. I have a 4-year-old, but today she's in daycare. Kay Ma'am Alona. Asa gani si Ma'am Alona? I think this one is Ma'am Sarah J. Asa ganito si Ma'am. Oy. Oh well. Diara na. And this one is kay Ma'am Sid, Ma'am Rose, Ma'am Rose pa din. So, I do have two distributor in Cavite and Agusan del Sur. So, if I know that they're in Manila, I just ship it to my distributor in Cavite. This one is Ma'am Rose. And if they're from the Mindanao, then I will include it in in the Agusan box. Rose. Kay Leia. Ang madami-dami kay Leia ha. Kay Ma'am Alona. Ma'am Sid. Ma'am Sid. So I have to finish this one because I don't have space anymore, and I plan to do live selling today, so I better make some space. Okay, Ma'am Rose. Ma'am Sid. Ma'am Sid. Hindi pa tayo tapos mag-sort, but may isa kasi tayong customer na she's an online seller and lagi siya nagmamind sa sa ating live selling. So puno na yung niya, yung tingnan niyo ito puno na yan. So I have to put it outside para may space pa akong para sa mga items niya. Okay, so ganyan lang, nagsusort ako. Ito, ayan, isang customer yan. Yan, isang customer din. Ito, iba din yung name. Ito. So far. And, ito kailangan ko pang isort. So, lahat talaga ako lang gumagawa. But, you know, laban tayo. May pangarap, laban lang. Hapit na yun mahuman og sort na. Gamay na lang. So, Hanes na brand new pa ni siya, brand new. Pero pag nakaagi gamit kitin sa mani. May pangalan. Sa kani kay Monsol. Kani kay Ma'am Kim Viching. Susana. Ma'am Melanie. Naapatay mga Victoria's Secret. Barato ra atong kuan. Marag wala ko'y customer nga wala ni balik. Like most of my customers, they always come back to buy more items. So I'm grateful with that. And because of them, I work harder. More inspired. Shout out to Ma'am Sid Alarte in Negros. Thank you, not Negros but in Misamis. Thank you, ma'am. Ever since na nag-order ka sa ako, sige kagbalik-balik sa ako this one like this. Wapa kayo ni nga Under Armour. And this is for Ma'am Sol. 200 pesos lang. This is like new pa. So kay Ate Fino, shout out sa kay Ate Fino na kahit ang daming pinagdadaanan, hindi nakakalimot na mag-support sa akin. Laging nandyan. Kahit hindi pa ako nagbenta ng ukay, andyan na siya always. And kay Ma'am Honey Esero, taga-teacher yan siya. Ito also kay Ma'am Yolanda, teacher. Marami tayong teacher na customer. This is a pack or bundle. So 350 pesos only. Minsan nagbabundle ako, ganon. Kay Ma'am Mariam. So saan yan si Ma'am. Ito kay Ma'am Air Jordan. Mga ganito. Ito Levi's na shirt. Ay na jeans. Ang ganda pa, mga okay siya, but most are like in very good to excellent condition, sometimes new with tag pa. Ma'am Sol, shout out kay Ma'am Sol at sa asawa mong Seaman. Thank you. Ayan, thank you po Ma'am Sol. So, namimigay ako ng mga freebies, mga kung ano-ano lang na gusto kong ibigay sa mga customer ko. Like, for example, this Barbie doll, this is for free to Mary Pasahe, taga Agusan del Sur. And this one for si Stitch, Lilo and Stitch, to Ma'am Susana Dagbay in Bohol. Ayan. So, and like this one's kay Ma'am Stella sa Agusan del Sur. This is for free. So, you know, just random stuff. I give them for free. And, yeah. At saka, like, for example, ito, at saka ito pa, this is for free. For like, for example, you're a first time miner. Ganyan, namimigay ako. At yung paglagay ng bumabalik, alam kong consistent, namimigay ako just whatever. So this is brand new. It's a peel off mask, 24K gold. Ayan, this is for free to Ma'am Stella. And then like this bed bath, or Bath and Body Works. This is brand new also. This is a lotion in a 236 ml. So usually ang benta ko nito is 750 pesos, but I give it away for free because she ordered a lot from me. So yan, kay Ma'am Queen. So that one. Si Ma'am Rose, always yan bumabalik sa akin. Dami niyang order, mga pang kids, dami siyang apo. Shout out to Ma'am Rose Espanyol. Ayan, patapos na tayo mag-sort, guys. And shout out also to Ma'am Melanie Cercado in Davao City. She is very punggacious mag-order. And Ma'am Rose, ayan. So anyway, yun lang po. So now that I've finished sorting, I'm gonna type them up and do the invoice and then pack at the same time. So yun lang po. So after I sort, ang nagwagi ang pinakamataas na tower kay Ma'am Sid Alarte. And then kay Ma'am, well actually pangalawang box na yan ni Ma'am Sol. Then pinakadami din si Ma'am Melanie Cercado, kay Boss Aerong taga American Samoa. Thank you, boss, for being part of my 2025. Thank you. I look forward to doing more business. And yun, ang dami pa. So, ito is going to Zamboanga. This is one of the example na fill a box. So, meaning to say, pinapaipon lang niya, tapos lagay ko sa isang box, tapos ship directly to the person na, or to the customer na gusto mag fill a box. So ito yung mga niya, ang dami-dami. So I think sobra pa nga yan, pero okay lang kasi yan siya, seller din. So ayan, mag-i-invoice na po ako.